how to change the game booster screenshot resolution to 100%, 50% or 25% on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on advanced features. After click on advanced features, scroll down to and click on game booster setting. After click on game booster settings, you will see screenshot resolution is here. If you want to change screenshot 100%, 50% and 25%. So if you want to change 100%, click on 100%. If you want to change 50%, click on 50%. If you want to change 25%, so click on 25%. So you will select 100%, 50%, 25% from here. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can change the game booster screenshot resolution to 100%, 50% and 25% on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.